However, you can contact me for setting up your own SAP remote access server. As it can be SAP ECC6 or S/4HANA, both are possible. Okay. For example, this is your SAP server. This is your SAP server. It can be ECC6 server or it can be S/4HANA, and it is connected to and your server is connected to internet, and your clients, users from all over the world can connect to your SAP server. For example, this client is in US, this client is in UK, this client is in Japan, this client is in for example Australia. All the different clients can access your SAP server remotely through SAP GUI, and through Fiori. Let me show you an example I have set for many different clients. Okay, so these are different installations I have set for my different clients. You can see, like this one, people from all over the world can connect to SAP server. Just give the required credentials, username and password, and the client can log into your SAP server system. In the same manner, just open a web browser, paste the URL for Fiori, and the Fiori login screen is open. Now the client can enter the username and password and log in inside SAP Fiori and do the work. Okay, all these different kind of setups can be done. Contact me for setting up your own SAP online access server. You can use it for training purpose and learning purpose also. Thanks for watching the video.